Hey, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well today. It's Monday. It is, August 16th. I got a trade on MES today, so I want to do a little recap on that. I know I haven't been making many recaps, kind of just been just focusing on myself, just trying to I'm working on size and trying to get to an appropriate size that I'm happy with. So this week, again, I sized up. Feeling really confident in 3 CRs and everything right now. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this. We had a trend up this morning, and then we had this big liquidity search candle right here, and then it had a completed 3 CR, closed below the dragon. And I always look for pullbacks after 3 CRs, but there's something that Darren, Best Forward Forex Method, had said, that when you think about what 3 CRs are, they are a break of support or resistance, which also means that there's going to be a pullback to test said support resistance. And today was a really great golden example of that. So when it closed, it was all the way down here, and I needed to see a pullback. I wasn't happy taking this trade, or wasn't going to take this trade without a pullback. So I had these supports lined up here and here from the hourly chart, and then I was going to start looking for an area to place a stop potentially. So I went over to the line chart on the 5-minute. Notice we had this double bottom here. It looked like a really good area of support that would potentially turn in resistance. So as it was coming down, you can see just how well these levels work. So it bounced right off this hourly level, came back up, and where did it test? Exactly that support that turned into resistance. So it came back perfectly up, rejected it. When this candle over here broke the 20 level, I just got in, because we had everything up to this point just lined up crystal clear, perfect. We had we were red on the 15-minute, we were red on the 30-minute. Hourly was red. We had the break of this trend line, the bust, pullback and break. We had the pullback, everything just all lined up. So I grabbed it from here, and then I just took it to support right here. Grabbed my 10 or so pips, and then that was it. I would like to leave a runner. That's one of the things I'm working on with my size. I'm trying to get to an appropriate size where I'm happy leaving a runner or two that doesn't affect my P&L greatly, So that's going to be something that will happen in the future, but for now, I'm 100% happy just being in and out and taking my money and running. So yeah, that was the MES trade. Just waiting for setups. There was nothing set up until this point, and right when it did, everything just lined up. So yeah, that was my MES trade. Real quick, I just want to go over M2K as well, because that was a really, really nice trade. So let's go ahead and refresh this really quick. There we go. So you can see we had a same exact setup. This is a different beast of a candle here, but it was the same setup. We had a 3 CR right here, closed below the dragon. What do we look for after a 3 CR? A pullback. So we got the pullback. When it came back down and broke this resistance or support, here, this was a support off the hourly chart, because you can see the buyer stepped in and created a new high. So these are strong buyers. So once it got below that, we also had a break of the 20 level here. Everything was lined up. Again, 15-minute was red. 30-minute was red. It was also a bust, pullback, and break. Hourly is red. Everything was lined up. You grabbed it. I would have grabbed it here. And yeah, this was a really incredible trade. About 100 plus pips. Just ridiculous. But it just goes to show that you could potentially be in these types of trades. There's nothing differentiating these trades from my other MES trade. I mean, they're both exactly the same. This one just happened to have a crazier reaction, but no reason you couldn't have been in something like that. And this was a really nice trade too, so I'm not discounting that. But yeah, just wanted to go over those trades. If you guys have any questions, let me know. It's only Monday, so we got the whole rest of the week ahead of us. I'm really excited. And yeah, it's going to be a good week. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later, everybody.